Hey friends, I'm Mary Ellen and welcome back to Life is Messy but I am learning as I grow. If you're new here, this channel is all about embracing the joy of making, whether it's plant-based recipes, DIY crafts, gardening, or sharing real-life family moments. We celebrate the process, not perfection, learning and growing with each project. Today we're diving into a fun and flavorful kitchen adventure, crafting a plant-based, vegan-friendly version of the classic Chick-fil-A nuggets, using tofu instead of chicken. Believe it or not, this homemade creation captures the taste and texture of the original, but it's entirely plant-based, easy to make and more budget-friendly than dining out. You'll find the full written recipe in the video description below. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon better than bouillon, no chicken base, 3/4 cup nutritional yeast, half a cup of dill pickle juice, 2 tablespoons agave syrup, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon onion powder. Extra firm tofu, freeze, defrost then press. Directions: add all of your ingredients except for the tofu to a large bowl and stir. Why did the tofu cross the road? To prove it wasn't chicken. Break up tofu into nugget-sized pieces and place into your bowl. Freezing, thawing, and pressing tofu is a simple yet effective technique to enhance its texture and flavor absorption. When tofu is frozen, the water inside expands, forming ice crystals that create tiny holes throughout the block. Upon thawing, these holes remain, giving the tofu a spongier, chewier texture that closely resembles meat. Pressing the thawed tofu removes excess moisture, making it more porous and better at soaking up marinades and sauces. This process enhances its ability to crisp up during cooking. Gently fold the tofu into your sauce until tofu is fully coated, but do not overstir. Add nuggets into your air fryer, then air fry on 370 degrees for 15 minutes. Carefully turn the nuggets and cook for about 10 more minutes or until they are golden brown. Thanks so much for joining me in the kitchen today. I hope you enjoyed making this plant-based twist on a fast food favorite. It's amazing how tofu can transform into something so delicious and satisfying, isn't it? If you're excited to try this at home, you'll find the full written recipe in the video description below. Give it a go and let me know how it turns out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends who love tasty, budget-friendly vegan recipes. I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite fast food meal you'd like to see a plant-based version of? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Remember, life is messy and that's perfectly okay. It's all about the process, learning, and growing together. Until next time, happy cooking and keep embracing life's beautiful mess.